Alright guys, welcome back to Jeremy's Tech, and in today's video we'll take a quick look and unboxing of this Mcdodo. Mcdodo. This is a fast charger, so we're going to be taking a quick look and unboxing of this device. So we're going to be checking it out first before we actually use it, because it's not open yet, so it's unsealed. And I'll be checking this out, and actually has pretty good features from what it has to offer for the price. So I will be unboxing this and show you guys the unboxing process, and as well as me using it to charge my devices, to showcase like all the features they have to offer, like the digital display over here you can see. And we also have 4 ports to charge your device, includes type C and also type A USB connection. So yeah, we're taking a quick look at this device, so let's get into it right away. Alright guys, so we are now in this scene here. We're going to take a quick look at this Mcdodo charger here. So charge faster, go further. There is the tagline for Mcdodo. So take a quick look at the specs at the back. It's a 33 watt 4-port output, so you can see the specs over here. You can zoom in for you guys to take a quick glance at the product features, so you can have a good idea of what to expect from this device. So you can see we have the input over here, and all the ratings are listed over here as well. Max output 33 watts, so your device supports the maximum output that you can receive from this charger. Then you're going to get a full benefit of this device, so that's amazing. And it's pretty light as well. We have the fast charger user manual, warranty card, everything's inside the box. So now we're going to take a quick look at the packaging itself. So let me get the knife here, so we're going to cut open the package over here. So yeah, now we can cut it. I think it's behind here. We can just slice it over there. Alright, took off the wrappers and let's take a quick look at the charger. So we have again, just put this inside and open it from like this. Okay, and here we go. Let's open it. Boom, and we got the user manual over here. So this is what you get in the box, the user manual, so you can have a good idea of the device if you don't know what's going on. This is the overall idea of the device, so that is pretty nice, but we usually don't need to read it. But yeah, so here is the charger itself. 3-pin plug point for the standard UK plug, which is compatible in Malaysia definitely. And you can see all the full ratings are over here if you really want to see it again. And then yeah, so this is the design of the Mcdodo fast charger. So we'll remove the plastic. So you can see we have 3 type A ports here, 1 type C, and the display is over there. I can't show you that right now. I have to plug it in first to show you guys the digital meter here. So on that, this is pretty nice. You get 4, so you can charge all your devices one shot. So yeah, other than that, we don't get anything else in the box. There's no cable included. You have to buy it separately from either their official store, or you can buy another one that's compatible with this charger. But I recommend getting the same brand so that it works together with this charger. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description if you want to buy this charger itself without the cable. So I'll put the link in the description for Shopee, Lazada, and also Presto, so you can put the link in the description and check it out for yourself. Alright, so now I'm going to showcase the digital meter here and showcase how it looks like, and plug in into the plug. So I'm gonna go to my plug right over there, and I'll show you guys in action how it works and everything, and also whether how it displays the wattage, the output wattage of the current charging device. So let's get started right away. Alright guys, so I have plugged in the Mcdodo charger right over here direct to the socket. You can see, so I'm going to turn it on and you will see there is a display. So now obviously it's 0, so we are going to plug something in. So I'm going to plug my power bank and see how much it draws from there. Alright, I've plugged in the power bank, you can see over there, and it's drawing 9 watts of power. So you can see the display over there, and it's charging my power bank just fine. So this is just one. I think if you plug more devices, it will even increase. So I'm going to show you guys right away. Alright, I've plugged my second power bank, and you can see we have now increased to 17 watts, roughly on 17 watts or 16 watts of consumption. So that's pretty nice. You can see the total wattage consumption. So if there's one more available port there, I can use to show you guys another power bank on the plug-in. So to show you guys this is full potential of the charger. So let's plug in my next power bank. And we have plugged in the third one, and it's around 17 watts still. I think this is the maximum already, or I think my power bank is already fully charged. Yeah, so it should be actually more, but my power bank is fully charged. But you can see that you display all the current full usage of the devices that is currently consuming the power, and total consumption is 17 watts. So there is one more slot available there, my Type-C connection, which I don't have at the moment, the cable at the moment. So we can see the full potential of this device. It's actually pretty good. And I will test out my obviously my phone with this charger and see how fast I can achieve it. So let me just quickly test it and show you guys whether it supports the fast charging on my phone. Alright, so I managed to get a Type-C connector for my phone, so I'm gonna plug it in here. You can see, so this is my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra here. I'm gonna plug in. Let me just plug it in. And there we go, super fast charging. So yeah, it indeed can utilize full potential of this charger, which is fantastic. So this is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and it supports the maximum charging speeds available on this device. So that is fantastic. Alright guys, and that wraps up this video of the unboxing and the first look at this Mcdodo fast charger 4 ports. Pretty cool. This device actually get a job done pretty easily for most of you guys, and this device is pretty good as well in terms of its value for money, because 4 ports on one charger, wow, it's amazing. And you don't have to carry so many chargers, just carry one and you can charge all your devices within this device itself. So pretty cool. Very nice charger here from Mcdodo. Link in description if you want to purchase the product yourself from either Shopee, Lazada, and also in Presto as well. I'll put a link in the description for this charger if you're interested, and use my link below if you want to buy and support the channel, as it does help out the channel. Thank you very much for watching guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.